this module of the Windows 11 tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to add an application manually to Windows Startup. For some reason, this feature in Windows 11, it's more complicated than it needs to be. I'll demonstrate how to do this manually. To do this, first we need to be able to run the run command. So unlike going up here and doing the search, we need to either be in command line or in the terminal mode, or go here and right click on the desktop and choose run. It will bring us the old run command like in Windows 7 or Windows 10. You can also access this by pressing the Windows key and R, and that will get you the run command as well. Now at this point we need to type in there shell : startup, and then we hit enter. This will bring us to the folder or the location where we can place specific programs that we want to open on startup. So in this case, we can keep this window open on the left-hand side, and then we can go to our File Explorer and then open a new session of the File Explorer. Now from here, we need to go to, let's say, to the programs, wherever that particular program is located. So program files here. And let's say I want this program called Handbrake, which is a video editing program. And I want this to start up every time upon boot up of the computer. At this point, I can right click on this and then drag it to the left, and it's going to create a link to it in the startup. And I click here to create a startup or a shortcut on this area. So again, that was right clicking, so finding initially where the program is located, right clicking on it, dragging it over, and then choosing to create a shortcut. Not copying it, because then we are copying the whole program. We are just creating a shortcut in order to launch that specific program. You can do this also with other applications. So let's say here we are in the All Apps area. So let's say I want one of my apps here to open up automatically upon boot up. So let's say I want Firefox to be one of those programs. So I can right click here and choose more, and then find the file location. So this is where the file is actually residing. The executable for this program is residing in the PC. Now from here, again, I right click it and then create a shortcut, and now both of these programs will open up every time automatically once I reboot Windows 11.